Vice Principal Sir, and my dear friends. Good morning to one and all. Today, on this proud occasion of 77th Republic Day of India, I, Kavita Pal from 11th Science, feel extremely honored to speak on the topic, difference between Indian Constitution and the American Constitution. So, have you ever wondered why we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January? The answer lies in one powerful document, our Constitution. 26 January 1950 isn't just a date in history. It's a day when India gave itself a constitution and became a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic free republic. This date was chosen deliberately to honor 26 January 1930 when the dream of Purna Swaraj was declared by Indian National Congress. The original Constitution of India was never printed or typed. It was entirely handwritten by Prem Bihari Narayan Rayzada in a flowing Italic style. Now, let me take you back in the time. The American Constitution, adopted on 17 September 1787, is one of the oldest handwritten documents in the world. It was inspired by thinkers like John Locke in his famous book, Two Treatises of Government. But here comes the question. Can one constitution suit all nations, cultures and religions? India answered these questions in its own way. The Indian Constitution, drafted under the visionary leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, isn't borrowed blindly. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to frame and was adopted on 26 November 1949. Let us now look at some key differences. First, the length and detail. The Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution in the world, originally with 395 articles and 8 schedules. Now, why so detailed? Because India isn't a one voice. It is a chorus of languages, religions, and rich cultures. The American Constitution, on the other hand, is remarkably brief, containing only 7 articles. Second, the federal structure. India follows a federal system with a strong center. During emergencies, the Union becomes powerful to protect national unity. The US follows a true federal system where states enjoy greater autonomy. Third, the citizenship. India believes in single citizenship, strengthening the feeling of oneness. We are Indians first. American follows dual citizenship, where Indians belong to both nation and state. Now comes a very thought-provoking difference. The Indian Constitution gives us fundamental rights, but also reminds us of fundamental duties added by the 42nd Amendment of 1976. The American Constitution focuses strongly on rights known as Bills of Rights added in 1791. And finally, the amendability. The Indian Constitution is flexible, allowing it to evolve with time. The American Constitution is rigid and amendments are rare. Today, as we wear our school uniforms with pride, let us remember the powerful words of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The Constitution is not a mere lawyer's document. It's a vehicle of life. On this Republic Day, let us not just admire our Constitution. Let's understand it, respect it, and live by it. Thanks for having me here. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.